Got these wheels sold. Man, Brandon can't pick them up. He gonna enjoy them. Put them on an 07. 07 Tahoe. So he'll send me some footage and we'll let y'all see what it look like. Another one in the books. It worked exactly as we wanted it to work. I think we was into those wheels for about $450 when you got paint, dismounting the tires, buying the tires, putting the tires back on, center cap bolts. So I think I was into it for a little less than $450, like I said, and we made $900. So doubled our money. Project worked out well. This money is gonna go into the white 91 LS swap. I'm happy with it. We took a chance and it worked out. We always like to try our hand at stuff and see if we can come out on top. So until the next project comes along, we'll holler at y'all. What we doing here?
What's up? We've been trying to put fenders on. Yeah. We about to get them. About to get it.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah,
the only damn problem we got now is we don't both sit down here on the damn floor. We probably can't get up.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for.
You glad school's out? Mm-hmm. You make your pass?
Mm-hmm. Hey. Oh, man.
Damn, Robert, you just looking. You just.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
Hanging out, Angel Robert.
What are you doing, Korey?
Well, hell, I just came out here. I thought you might have needed some help, but it look like you got your ace in the hole right here.
With me.
I ain't much whooping shit though.
I hear you, Robert. I hear you.
Korey.
Yeah.
I got a good fan set.
What you talking about? To keep you cool?
What?
You talking about to blow air on you?
Yeah, I'm sitting here sweating like it ain't Lord.
Where's that? You want me to hook it up for you?
Nah, that's all right.
We finna quit.
I'm finna sit down. I'm finna go out here and sit down for a minute.
I'm finna go sit down for all day. Now I gotta get my ass up somewhere though. I think I can use that tailpipe.
I get through drinking my Kool-Aid. Korey gonna make a movie. Me and him going out the road.
Oh yeah.
In the high block.
Hey, buddy.
Korey.
Look at these. Look at these. Look at these sweating like crazy right here. These good fellas been working hard today.
Yeah, right.
They've been working hard today.
Anyway, what was I gonna tell you? I don't even know what I was gonna tell you. The cow gonna get her some dirt.
I see y'all got the Tahoe in the. You been driving it?
Mm-hmm.
How many miles in the Tahoe, Mr.
15, 20.
15 or 20,000 miles.
Yeah.
What year?
What is it? 2009, I think.
Good God Almighty. That truck ain't
Barely
even,
driving.
that truck ain't even halfway broken in yet.
What that damn truck I got at my house?
I want to see the vet. Why you don't drive the vet over here, man? I almost stopped by your house yesterday. Two days ago. I know where you live at now. Send your Impala out there.
Sad.
What year? Oh,
Money.
who's that older than newer?
What was I doing Saturday?
I don't know.
You down here?
So we got Sam to head to hell with
It was in the
And
morning
you
though.
both like died.
I'm probably still home, man.
I know you was home. I seen that post.
You seen that on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I was there then.
Yeah, I didn't want to pull up on you. You know, you told me that story about you done blowed somebody back out damn near.
If you come to the backyard, it won't be as bad.
Yeah,
But I know before you get there, because the phone will go to raising hell.
I hear that.
That boy kicked in on Robert's door that day.
That dog I got, she ain't like no man since. Except
Yeah.
me.
I hear you on that.
I bet he didn't know what to think. Robert come in the back door with a pistol in his hand.
Come, I opened the door and he looked at that pistol shit. He laying on the ground. I should have just busted his ass right there.
He jumped in the window, didn't even open the door, did he? On the car.
No, he went over the car. He slid across the boot. His girlfriend, some gal was driving.
And he said they backed out in Cherokee Road.
Wide open.
If
Wide
anybody
open. They
come,
was lucky the damn car wasn't coming.
Damn. Old Robert, firing off at the
I should have went ahead and killed him. Then they'd probably put me in jail.
Y'all ain't seen my video about the wheels I did. I refurbished them wheels.
I ain't
I have.
You seen it?
Mm-hmm.
I sold them today, $900. Bought them. Somebody gave me the wheels. I sanded them down. Right? Sanded them down, painted them black.
Somebody gave you the wheel.
Yeah, for the stock wheels that was on the truck I was parting out. So he gave me some big ass wheels about big as your whole upper body right here, right? He gave them to me for the little wheels that come on the truck. So I said, okay. So I said, I tried to sell them, nobody would buy them. So then I said, all right, I'm gonna down do a little project. So I sanded them down, painted them, put 3 new tires on them, because one tire was still good. Sold them bitches for $900. Matter of fact, look at that. Just did it a little while ago.
Look at him. Go down to the car, get my damn gun. Where just rob Korey's ass.
Shit, I can get to mine before you can get to yours.
That's for going down.
That's for damn sure.
You got me all right. Don't let me get to mine over in that orange truck over there, Robert. What y'all gonna do the rest of the day?
Probably looking at it.
Nothing. I ain't gonna do nothing.
What y'all gonna do the rest of the day?
Probably looking at it.
Nothing. I ain't gonna do nothing.
I need to ride.
Y'all, so you say 1 project per day, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I wanna go and finish this damn thing.
I need to do. You know what I told him a while ago? I said, me and you finna make a damn deal. He said, what's that? I said, you ain't building no more damn hot.
You damn right about that.
Nah, he ain't gonna do no more.
Nah, I ain't.
Now that he been working 5 years on this one.
Not at least.
What
What do you call that? That mean you go for a ride, you video.
What's it called?
Red Rock.
Oh, hell yeah, let's do that.
Let's go. I'm ready.
We're gonna go for a ride, baby.
Both of you can fit in there. You need to ride with him.
No, he can't fit in there, can he?
If football wants to ride, you know it.
He can't fit in here, Robert.
He can't slide over there with you.
No, Robert.
Let him sit in your damn lap.
No, we'll be all right. What is it, Mr. D?
Hey, we go for a ride, Mr. Jones.
What is it right here?
The night. Oh, that's a handbrake.
Damn, can you read that?
Oh, yeah. And what did it do? That's what I'm on the call for.
He said he gonna take you. He said he gonna take you.
Man.
Come on.
Come on, let's go.
You gonna ride? Go on in there.
We come by your house from about 100 now, don't say that. I ain't running that fast. Yeah!
What you want, Robert? What you want?
Check the gas gauge in that thing.
The what?
In this?
It's a long time since we put gas in that thing to get.
I filled it up yesterday.
Okay. That thing will get away from here.
Oh yeah.
I told your son, I said, they're gonna go down the road and Memorial Day they'll leave you polices all over the place.
But it got him all set of nuts on him, don't it?
I'm sure it does. You finna lay down that grass, what you finna do?
But it got it made, don't it?
Hell yeah, buddy got it made.
Buddy!
Buddy, you ain't hard of hearing, I know. You let Carolyn come back. Carolyn come back, he'll run right up to her. We can't have nothing with no sugar around here. Carolyn ain't gonna have that.
Yeah, that Gatorade Zero, that shit nasty,
See
bro.
that little black thing sticking up out the damn ground right there?
Yeah.
That little shit there tore it up.
Robert, I gotta see that damn vet, man. I'm just gonna have to stop by your house one day and look at it, I believe.
So come around back to knock on the door.
I'm gonna call your ass. I got your number.
Go to the third door.
No, I'm gonna call your
The
ass.
dog
first.
gonna raise hell because you're a man.
Yeah.
But I can calm him down. I mean, some bitch can't hurt you. She's about that fucking high.
Yeah. I gotta see that vet, Robert. I gotta see that now.
But some bitch is nice now.
How many miles you got on it?
600.
600 miles on a 2019.
Mm-hmm. That I bought in December. It ain't even 100 miles a month, is it?
How many miles was on when you bought it?
None.
0.
Yeah.
I'll be damn. You ordered out the book, or they had it on
They had it on the
showroom floor?
How you doing?
She ain't looking way down here.
What the hell is she looking at? She talking to Buddy, I guess.
600 miles on a 2019 Vet. Damn,
Well, I got a
Robert.
2017 GMC sitting there and I ain't got but 3,000 on it.
What, a truck? Or what kind?
The Nolly?
Get the
Ultimate
fuck out of here.
package. Ultimate package.
You got a 1500 Sierra Denali. Sierra, right?
I guess that's what you call it, GMC.
Yeah, Denali didn't come on no Chevy. So you got a GMC Denali truck.
Got all the bells and whistles on it.
So that thing got a what, a 6.2 in it?
Damn right. Just like that vet.
I'll be damn, Robert. Well, you done lived a good life.
I don't know about all this shit. See right there?
Yeah.
That's me in the 4th grade.
I'll be damn.
I had no fucking teeth, did I?
Smiling ear to ear.
I had to stop. Carolyn wanted to know.
Right on the seat, that was the scariest thing ever.
Oh, I didn't ski you, did I? I didn't mean to ski you, bud. I got eased along. I was going to ski. I didn't mean to ski you.
You like it?
Yeah.
Who's that down at the bar last? She thought I was gone. She thought I was gone. She didn't see your car, Robert.
She walked right down where me and him were sitting here. I thought she looked down here.
Well, that don't
She
mean
probably
she could see you. That don't mean she could see you. Because she looked down, that don't mean she could see you.
Yeah.